Have some milk, baby. Have some milk. Kayla is so sleepy. I wouldn't be surprised if she falls asleep on her high chair. But she's still eating. Poor thing has a cough right now.
Milk.
Yeah, you want some? You can get it?
Yes.
Good girl. Poor thing. Are you done?
Milk.
Milk.
Mom, dear. Mom.
You all done?
Milk.
All done?
Yes.
Okay. You did pretty good. I expected you to fall asleep though.
Ow.
Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.